What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So are you struggling to rent out your property at this point of time? Or is your property vacant a few months already, very hard to get tenants? Or you find that the agents are bringing you ridiculously low offers that is so low that you cannot accept because you have never gotten that kind of offers before. Are you facing this kind of dilemma at this moment? Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the time of a soft real estate market whereby it's a buyers and tenants market. I am no exception and I'm also affected. Past few weeks, even before the CMCO, the first phase, I've been receiving WhatsApp like this, and like this from different owners telling me that their properties is up for rent, and one desperate owner even like added randomly 50 real estate agents into a WhatsApp group just to inform them that his property is up for rent and can you please help me to rent out my property. Suffice to say, most of us didn't stay in the WhatsApp group to find out whether it's an agent party or not, right? Alright, I myself has no exception. My property has also been getting low rental, and even my property is at a strategic location. I find that the enquiries have dropped a lot and the offers that I've been getting is also the same, drop a lot. Okay, so today I want to share with you some of the things that we can do right now in struggling times to rent out our property hopefully faster. Okay, so before we go that, if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel so they can get videos like this every week, and also smash the like button, please smash the like button. That's all I'm asking for, the effort and the time that I put in to hopefully bring you value, that you find value of this. If you smash the like button, the YouTube algorithm will show this video to more people that may need to hear this, and do share this with your friends and family. Let's go to the first way to get rented out fast, and is the most obvious. Reduce your rent. Okay, reduce your rent. This is not the time to hold on to a high rental that you used to get. Those days are over. Okay, moratorium is also over beginning this month. Most of you are start paying your loans and it's over. So please reduce your rent. I myself have reduced my rent by a lot, 600 ringgit, just to get a tenant to come, because I had to get the locals, and I had to cater that rental to that market currently that is in demand. Okay, and do you know that if your property is not rented out, you actually lose more in terms of tax benefit? If property that is not rented out, you cannot minus the loan portion or any other expenses for that month from your income tax, from your rental income. Okay, for example, let's just say you rent out at 2,000 ringgit and your installment is 2,000 ringgit. Of course, the installment has two parts, right? Interest portion and the principal. Do you know that if you are that month, if you have no rental, that interest portion you cannot minus off when you are reporting for tax? So at the end, is your loss, landlords, if you are renting out your property. Okay, definitely, if you want to reduce, I would say it's up to you. You can even reduce below your installment. If you can take it, why not? You still enjoy the tax breaks at the moment. You do your self calculation, but I would suggest that you reduce. If you reduce 10%, cannot 20%. See how far you can take it. Okay, it's better than leaving it empty. Next up is DIY. What it means by DIY? Do it yourself. Do not depend on the agents at the moment. Do not depend on the agents. Let me repeat, do not depend on the agents, just solely on agents. Okay, it doesn't matter how many agents you appoint, you do not depend on them. You do it yourself because you are the one that is paying your installment. How can you do it yourself? Well, you adopt technology. We have things like Speed Home. Okay, list your property there, Speed Home. You can create a brochure, pass the brochure to someone to distribute it to a target area to rent out your property. Mudah.my. Mudah.my, you can list your property there for rental. Okay, Facebook Marketplace, use Facebook Marketplace, use the Facebook groups, list your own property, filter your own tenant, rent it out ASAP. Third one, the third one is to embrace technology instead of resisting technology. We are in a COVID-19 and pandemic era. We are talking about a new normal. So why are we still marketing properties and selling properties like the old times? This new normal, what you can do as a landlord, you can take videos of your properties. And some of the high rise, the JMB have already disallowed visitors. That is why none of us can come in. Even the agents cannot do their work. So why not you as a landlord go to your unit, take a video of the place, and then share out with easier to the agents to that you can do the viewing. Okay, and also if you have to check with your JMB whether they still allow viewings at this moment. If you do not want to be on the video, or if you don't know how to take a video or anything like this, you ask the agents to do it. Get the key, pass to the agents, because this is a time where people are not comfortable going out to meet people because of the pandemic, right? So video, and video. That is how you can use the social technology for your marketing of your properties. The next part is the distribution of the video. You have to learn how to distribute the video in Facebook, in social media, basically it's Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. This one, your agents will need to know how to do this. Or you can do it yourself. You have your own Facebook channel, you have your own Facebook, your own profile, right? Upload there. Tell this is property for rent. Tell your friends to help out to get the agents who are specialized in that place, or to get maybe potential tenants to come and look at that place. All right? This is so many channels, but it all starts with a video. You can also do a virtual staging if you want. Virtual staging is where if the property is empty, you take a few photos and you upload to the internet, and there is a service that will actually add digitally all the furniture, so it shows the place how it looks like. Let's just say a basic property and you want to rent out fully furnished. You can give the tenant these kind of ideas. But the most important is the video. The video will also help you to filter your tenants. Before they come, they could see the house and in their safe and comfort of their own home. So it will attract even more serious tenants. So do not underestimate the power of video in marketing your properties, whether it's for rent or for sale. Next, number 4. Number 4 is to change your rental strategy. What I mean by change your rental strategy. Used to rent out full unit. Now demand is coming for rooms. Convert it to rooms. Add the partition, convert it to rooms. That's it. Don't need to think so much. You used to rent out in rooms and now people want full unit but cheaper. Calculate the cost. Is viable, move. Tear down that partition, go do it. Okay, the longer you take to do this, the worse things will come. Okay. Last but not least is choose your agents wisely. Don't blast to all the agents that is in the portals. It won't work. Okay. How you choose your agents, that will come to another video, but choose your agents wisely. You can actually interview them, or you can go and see the place that you have a property, right? For example, condo A. Who is the agent in the condo A? Call them and ask. If not, how you get information for the first 4, right? What rental strategy to use, what kind of tenants that's going to be there. You won't know all this, only the agents. Unless, of course, you are very in touch and staying right beside your property or near your property. You can actually get more information than the agent. Okay? Another one is I like to go is to see online forums, especially lawyat.net. For those completed properties, right, sometimes you can see the owners staying there will comment in the thread, and also sometimes their agents will comment in the thread the current situation of the property, what kind of rental, what type of people that comes, all these tenant profile, all these are online. But The call here is to still interview your agents properly. Ask the right questions. I hope whatever I've shared with you today will help you, and if you are struggling right now to actually rent out your property. So that's all for me this week. I hope that the tips that I've shared with you will help you to rent out your property faster. If you want to get my book, Tolong Luluskan, you can always click the link below. You will get direct to me. And if you have any questions regarding property and financing, as usual, you can WhatsApp me or email me, okay? Or if you're on my Facebook page, just PM my Facebook page. If you have come to this point, may I ask for a favor? The next time you ask, any one of you ask the questions, right, via any videos, could you please at least introduce yourself, tell me where you found my video or found my contact, or then the third one only come to your question. Please, okay, at least show some courtesy when asking questions. I will do my best to answer any questions that come, but please know that my time is also limited, so I can only take as much as I can to answer and I prefer to answer this in the form of a video or writing. You can check out my Facebook page so that more people will benefit instead of me answering you one-on-one. Okay? So until the next video, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. See you again next time. Bye bye.